Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. Before we get started, I want to remind you that our flowers have arrived. We are so excited and we have received such amazing feedback from all of our community members and new members that have joined just finding us on Amazon. You can find our flowers on Amazon.com, and there is a link to a free ebook with over a dozen projects using our flowers just for you. Absolutely free. Head on down to the description to get yours today. Well, this week's request comes from a community member, and her name is Rhonda, and she writes, I just saw your video on how to make a cascading bridal bouquet, and it was beautiful. Thank you, Rhonda. I am planning my wedding now, and I would love to see how you would make one of these incorporating my color scheme. I have a white dress, and the colors I'm using are silver and blue. Just different shades of blue. I am making all the decorations myself. Can you help me please? With 3 question marks. Well, Rhonda, your question has been answered. We are absolutely going to help you with that. And it's such a blessing when our own pictures become the inspiration for the week. So without further ado, let's get started with this week's episode, Something Blue Cascading Wedding Bouquet. All right, guys, let's go. To create our bouquet, we're going to use a straight handle bouquet holder as well as an 8-inch bouquet collar and an 8-inch half styrofoam ball. Now, if you can't find the half styrofoam ball, get a full one, cut it in half, and you can make 2 bouquets. It's a lot cheaper sometimes. I'm just going to go ahead and draw freehand a circle, the kind of the diameter of the top of our bouquet handle, and then I'm going to cut it out with my foam cutters. And sometimes I'll trim it out, and I'll actually get a spoon and kind of scoop out the styrofoam. So just a little helpful tip. Now that our half ball is prepped and ready to go, let's attach all 3 pieces. Now I'm going to go ahead and attach the skirt first, making sure that I put just a dab of hot glue on the base of my handle, and let it sit for maybe about 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure it's good and set, and then you can go ahead and add your hot glue to the tip of your handle holder and insert it into your styrofoam ball, giving it at least a minute or 2 to set up. Since I reuse a lot of my flowers for different projects, I'm always kind of stuck with different stem lengths, and I need to add length to the stem. So the way to do that is just to use some 18 gauge floral wire. Go ahead and twist it around the base. If you want it to be a permanent setting, add a dab of glue right where you attached it, and it will be perfectly set for you to use and extend the stems of your flowers. So I want to add a touch of silver to this project, and I could not find an artificial flower that I really liked, so I'm going to make one myself. I'm using some silver rose leaf picks as well as rhinestone pick and some rhinestone flatbacks. I'm going to create 2 different types of silver flowers. The first one is the rhinestone one. I simply am going to attach the leaves by twisting it around the rhinestone stem. It's so simple. And then you just simply flare out the leaves. Next, I'm going to create the rhinestone one with some 18-inch gauge wire. I simply made a hoop at the end of it, bent it so it can be a base, attached it with hot glue, and then I'm going to repeat the same steps with my rose leaves by attaching them, simply twisting them around the gauge wire and flaring them out as I like. That simple. Well, Rhonda, what do you think? Absolutely stunning. And you know what? You can add your something borrowed to this something blue. If you have a family heirloom or something you can borrow from someone, a beautiful brooch, it would go perfectly with this bouquet. I hope you like it as much as we do. If you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single week. And if you would like an extra special notification, click on that little bell right down there in the corner and you will get that notification the moment the videos are live. If you'd like to send us a question, we would love to answer it. Just put it right there in the comment section. Or if you just want to drop us some words of encouragement, you have no idea how much they help us along when we're having those tough days. You can also follow us on our other social media platforms, and those are Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten Rebates account, formerly known as Ebates, what are you waiting for? We are all doing so much shopping online. They pay you to shop. So simple. Go down to the description, click on the link, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, find your vendors, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month. Don't forget to check out our DIY digital downloads on our MissPlanItShop.com. We have some awesome planners for you, for those of you who are not only DIYing your own wedding, but also parties and or events. And we even have a planner to help your bridesmaid help you. So we try to think about everything you could possibly need to organize and be ready to go for your DIY wedding when we're all able to have a more normal life. So check it out. I hope you like it. Our time always goes by so fast. We are so grateful for you spending your time with us. We know you have so many options on YouTube, so thank you for hanging out. We hope that you enjoyed it. If we can help you with the project, please don't hesitate. Go down to the description, click on the project request tab, and follow the very simple steps. We just ask that you do it sooner than later because our schedule fills up so fast, and I just hate telling anyone no. Also, be sure to check out our website, MissPlanIt.com, where you're going to find the written and pictured instructions for all of our projects, just for that extra boost of confidence. In addition to that, we have so many things on our website, from blog posts to our free resource library. Yes, free resource library, and just so many things that we can't share with you on our regular weekly YouTube channel. So check out our website, MissPlanIt.com. All right, guys, with that being said, always remember, when every penny counts, count on Miss Planet. Take care. See you soon. God bless.